today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there.
Hey Glow fam, so we've got a brand new video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a cmos smoothie, and we're going to start by making the cmos gel. So I purchased this cmos at Lulu's Holistics. I have a video where I went shopping at Lulu's and purchased a few items. Unfortunately, the cmos is not available online, but if you are local, I will leave the address for you so that you can go pick some up. So we're going to start by washing the cmos. You're going to wash that a couple times just to get the salt and any debris off of the cmos. So eventually I ended up moving this to a strainer because it was much easier to pass it through the strainer while I passed the water through, just to get all of the stuff off of it. So that's what I'm doing here.
How would you like it if I came over with my clique? Don't try to change it now. Saying you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot.
So now that it's all nice and clean, the next step is going to be to soak it. So the tip that I read about was soaking it with lime. So we're going to use lime in that water just to get kind of that oceany, fishy taste out.
If somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running.
So you're just going to fill it up with enough water to cover it maybe twice, just so that it has room to expand, because as you soak it, it will begin to expand. So we let that soak for 24 hours, and this is what it looks like 24 hours later. So if you notice, it's kind of doubled, maybe a little bit tripled in size, and we are ready to start blending it to make that gel. So what I did here was drain off most of the water in the bowl, and I just left enough to blend it with. So I'm going to be using my Ninja blender here to just blend it for about a minute, minute and a half, and just kind of let it go until I feel like it's the right consistency. Mainly, I just want to make sure there's no chunks in there, okay? No chunks. Smooth gel consistency is what we're looking for. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Perfect consistency. So it's gel, not too thick, but also not watery or soupy. Okay, so I literally left just a little bit in the cup to go ahead and make my smoothie. It's going to serve as a thickening agent, so you don't really need very much, and it will make the smoothie super thick, as you'll see. Right, so I like plenty of ice in my smoothie, and then we're going to go ahead and pull a robbery. My daddy grows papaya in the backyard, so I'm definitely about to steal some of his papaya, and we're going to add that to the smoothie. Go ahead and put that back like I was never here. Then I'm going to go in and grab my favorite protein shake. We are using the Premier Protein as usual, and this one is in the peaches and cream flavor. 30 grams of protein and 160 calories and very low in carbs. I actually meant to add some spinach to this as well, but I forgot. But it was actually very good without the spinach, so I might leave that out. So we're going to let that go in the blender for about a minute or so until we get this nice creamy ice cream like consistency. You see how thick the seaweed moss made it? That's not just the shake, that is the seaweed moss. So we have a special taste tester today, so I'm going to go ahead and grab us a few glasses. So, let's see everyone. Good?
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good actually.
It's good. You can barely taste it. I think also because I did the lime. I put the lime in there and let it soak with the lime to absorb some of the sea. Yeah. All right, y'all. So that is it. This is my first time making it, and for my first time, it came out excellent. So if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like if you enjoyed the video, and hit that notification bell so that you can know when I post. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.